Okay, so this one. So we have a picture here again.
Yes.
So, and this one. So what can you see? What can you say about the picture? Okay, we're focusing here first. What can you see in this picture?
Lemon.
Hello again?
Lemon. Hi.
Okay, this one is?
Lemon. Lemon.
Picture 2, this one?
Um,
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Okay, that is pineapple. Next.
Pineapple.
Okay, this one.
Book.
Book, yes. Okay, and the last one.
Orange.
Okay, so what can you say about these pictures?
Lemon.
Okay, what can you say?
Paper.
All right, so that is the name of that picture. So this time, okay, so
Orange.
lemon, pineapple, and orange are, what are
Orange.
those? What are those?
Orange. Orange.
This one. So the
Oh,
lemon, okay, the lemon, the pineapple, and the orange are
book.
fruits. Okay, so they are fruits. So lemon.
Lemon.
All right, so this one. Okay, wait. Okay, lemon,
Lemon.
pineapple,
Pineapple.
and orange
And orange.
are
Are
fruits.
fruit.
Okay, so these are kind of fruits. So what can you say about the book?
Book.
Okay,
Orange.
so lemon, pineapple, and orange are fruits.
Orange are fruits.
So this one is, all right. So in this picture, the book is out.
Is
Okay, this one is out. Meaning the
yes.
book is not belong. Okay,
The fruit.
the book is
The
not
fruit is
belong.
not belong.
Why? Why?
Book no fruit.
Okay, the book is
No,
not belong
not not
because
belong. Because no, not not fruit.
yes, because it is not
No,
fruit. Because the book is not fruit. Okay, it is,
it's still the
the
book
book
not
is to read, right? Okay,
not
so the book is not fruit and cannot
fruit. And us
eat.
cannot eat.
Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, that is out in this picture. Okay, again, lemon,
Again,
this one.
lemon people are orange fruit. The book is not fruit and cannot eat.
Are fruits. This one is
Okay.
Okay. So how about this one? This picture. Okay, what is out here in the second picture?
Uh,
Okay, this one
robot.
is robot.
Robot.
Yes, that is correct. Robot.
Robot.
Okay, how about the second picture?
Shoe.
Shoes. Okay, next.
Ball.
Ball. And
Doll.
doll. Okay, what can you say about these pictures?
Yeah. Robot. Ball. Uh, doll. The robot. Ball
Okay,
and doll.
okay.
Toy.
Okay, are toys. Okay, good job. So the robot, ball, and doll are toys.
Toy.
Okay, how about the shoes?
The shoe. Uh, is not a toy.
Very good, Kevin. Good job for that. Okay, that is correct. So the robot, the ball, and doll are toys. And the shoes is not a toy. Okay, that is wearing for our feet. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, that is very good for today. Next, let's have another picture here. Okay, let me get it first. So you can see clearly.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Okay, we have this picture.
We have the picture.
Okay, what can you say in this picture? Okay, here first.
The
Okay, this one is A, B, C, and letter D. How about that?
uh, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, E, evening,
A, B,
B,
and
C,
C
and C, E, evening,
are evening. Okay.
uh,
Evening or
evening,
nights or night.
night,
Okay, so A, picture A, B, and C are evening or night. Okay, while letter D is
will later be on
is
E, E, not the evening
is
is
morning.
more,
Okay,
is more,
meaning okay, this one is evening and the letter D is morning. So there. Okay, the sun is shining here at letter D. Okay, can you say A, B, and C are evening or night, while letter D is morning? Okay, please read.
B, and D, A, B, and C Uh, evening, night, white letter, D in morning.
Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go. For this picture, we have again letter A. This one is letter A, B,
Letter
and
A,
D.
B, C, and D.
Okay, letter B,
C
C,
and D. Play, play, uh, go to pick,
Okay, B, C, and D. They
go,
are
go to
at
pick.
the beach. Okay, can you read it again? B, C, and D, they are at the beach.
B, C, and D, they are at the beach.
Okay, while
Y, letter A, is student.
okay, while letter A is they are sta
Study,
studying at the
so
class.
study at the classroom.
Okay, so that is okay, the
Oh,
okay, so meaning letter A is out in this picture because this one is different. All right? Get it? Wow, you are so nice. You are so good today. You are very good today. All right, so let's have
half
another.
A, B, and C are evening, night, white letter D,
le-
morning, D, C, and D. They are
Okay.
they are at the big white letter A, E. They are studying at the room
Okay, can you
classroom,
say again? Studying.
studying
Okay.
at, at
Is
the is
at the
at the
classroom.
at the classroom.
Okay, how about okay, this one. Let's go here. Okay, let me. Okay, this one. What can you say about this one?
Uh,
Okay, find the different one. Okay, what can you see? Okay, we have picture A, B,
A,
Okay, what is the difference here in A picture A, B, and B, C, and D?
Uh, uh, B, C,
Okay, what is that?
B, C, and D. Letter E. Oh, sorry.
What is that?
Mm, um,
Okay, what is that?
mm,
Okay, let's go here to this one, this picture. Okay, find the difference again between in this picture. Okay, tomorrow we will go back to this lesson. Okay, let's go here.
yeah.
Okay, find the difference.
Find the difference.
Okay, what are the differences here?
Letter.
Okay, this one is picture A, and let picture B.
Picture A.
Okay, what is the difference here? What are the differences? Okay, for example,
For example,
okay, in picture A, there is
A,
a bird, while in picture B, it is a frog.
a frog.
Okay, so what is that? And also the hat of the man, the pilot. Okay, in picture A, okay, he doesn't have a hat, while in picture B, he has a hat.
We have a house.
Okay, what else can you see in this picture?
A color. Color helicopter.
Okay, the color of the helicopter are different because in picture A, what color?
Um, yellow.
And
This
while is red.
and
What
red.
else?
Uh, C and H.
What is it?
C, H.
Again, can you say that again, Kevin?
C, H. C.
He, she, and he.
Yes.
Okay, you will say picture A is boy, and while picture B is girl. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So again, picture A is a boy, and picture B is a girl.
Is picture A, boy. Picture B, C, a girl.
A girl. Okay. Okay, or you will say in picture A, okay, the
Picture
boy is flying the kite. Okay, this one. The boy is flying the kite.
okay.
Okay, picture. Picture A.
Picture
A. While picture B
Y,
is The girl is flying the kite. Okay, can you read that? Please read.
Fly.
Picture A. Please read.
Picture A,
The boy.
picture A, the boy is fly a kite.
While picture B
B,
is the girl. Picture B, the girl is flying the kite.
picture B, the girl is flying a kite.
Okay, flying the kite.
Flying the kite.
Okay. Okay, so do you understand these fine differences? Do you understand? Okay, tomorrow we will continue this lesson, okay? I want you, this year is homework. Homework. I want you make a sentence
Yep.
make a sentence, okay, find the difference. Find the difference and make it in sentence. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so we have example here. So this is the example.
This is an example.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Okay, do you have questions? Do you have questions? Questions?
Yes.
Okay, this one. Questions. I forgot the translation of questions. Questions.
Yeah, question.
Do you have Kohoy? Kohoy? Questions? No? Yes.
Yes.
What is your question?
Yes.
Okay, did you hear that?
Okay.
You can't hear. All right, this one.
Can hear.
You can't hear because... Okay, this one. Do you have questions?
No.
No? Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.